There are two ways to install the ZEK-1. Depending on the camera size, replace the PTR10, PTR10T Mark II camera mounting plates. Attach the appropriate size of the ZEK-1 camera mounting plate to the pan, tilt head. Step 2. Insert one end of the metal bar into the metal bar holder and another end of the metal bar into the zoom encoder and then tighten. Step 3. If you are using camcorders like Sony Z280, use the 3 screws to secure the bar holder along with the metal bar and the zoom encoder to the tilt arm. Step 4. Replace the M0.8 gear by using the spare M0.6 gear designed for M0.6 zoom ring. Step 5. Ensure the gear attached to the zoom encoder engages with the camcorder's zoom ring. Step 6. Connect the 4-pin mini DIN cable connector of the zoom encoder to the zoom sensor port on the PTR10 10T Mark II to complete the installation. There is another way of installation. Step 1. If you're using camcorders like Panasonic, use the 3 screws to secure the bar holder, along with the metal bar and the zoom encoder to the camera mount plate. Step 2. Wrap the gear ring belt around the zoom ring and then tighten. Please allow room for rotation to avoid the lock jamming. Step 3. Ensure the gear is attached to the M0.8 gear ring belt with the camcorder's zoom ring. Step 4. Connect the 4-pin mini DIN cable connector of the zoom encoder to the zoom sensor port on the PTR10 10T Mark II to complete the installation. Please note that the zoom ring of some cameras does not match the design of the ZEK-1. For more information, how to install the ZEK-1, please visit our website datavideo.com.